Hey girl, hey, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. So today I am back with another wig video. This wig is from BestLaceWig. This is their HD deep curly lace frontal wig. So y'all already know the deal. Let's get into the install. Now I'm using this new hairspray that I picked up a couple of days ago, and I honestly love it a lot better than the Got to Be Glued spray. I'm going to leave the link below because you can find it in Amazon or you can find it at your local beauty supply store. So anyways, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots. Now it looks crazy right now. I know that. I'm going to go in and fix it, but I wanted you girls to see on camera what exactly the hairline is giving before I go in and do anything. Now, it is a lot of hair at the front of the lace, so later in the video I am going to go in and remove a lot of this hair or a lot of the lace just to get it to look, better, because right now it's not looking the best. So I am going to be doing, of course, a bust down middle part. So yeah, girl, y'all, let's get into it. So I did cut the wig or cut the lace off in a zigzag motion, but it's still giving like that oval shape. So I went back in off camera and cut more into the lace just to get rid of like the extra deep hairline. Like, I don't even want to say deep. It was just some of that lace needed to come out basically, girl. So I ended up cutting out some of the lace, and I also curved the lace more so around my middle part instead, just to kind of get like the V-shape look. So y'all already know the deal. I'm pulling out some baby hairs because baby hairs is a absolute must with curly hair. It is the vibe. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna do these baby hairs and then I'll be back. Y'all, this has got to be like the easiest baby hair I have ever done on a wig. Like, I don't know if it was a cut technique that I did, like removing the lace, or the baby hairs is just good on this lace. But girl, it was so easy to swoop in these baby hairs, and look how much better this lace, this hairline looks based upon the way that I curved the hairline. I wish I would have been able to catch this on camera, but my camera was blurry, so I wasn't able to really capture what I was doing. But anyways, girl, so now I'm gonna go in and define these curls, honey, because I want to see what these curls is going to be giving. Now honestly, you can wear this texture just like this in its more bigger poofy stage, or you can define the curls. So before I define the curls, I'm going to go in with some concealer just to clean up the lace and get rid of any little black dots that may be visible on the lace. Now with this middle part, I did try to go in and pluck it some, but it wasn't really doing what I needed it to do, so that's why I just left it alone, girl, and went in with concealer, and it's fine. So as you already know, but in case you don't know, I am using water in the Garnier curling cream. I love this stuff for defining my curls. It leaves the hair super duper soft, but it also defines the curls. As you can see, I'm just taking a paddle brush and I am brushing through the hair, and look at how these curls is coming alive. So once I saturate the hair pretty well, I'm going to go in with some hair mousse just to give a little bit more definition to the curls. So yeah, girl, these curls is really juicy and popping. This is a really nice wig. Look at these curls, girl. Look. mentioned earlier, you can definitely wear this hair in its original texture where the curls is not defined, but the hair is a lot more fluffy and poofy. Now, once these curls do dry down, it's not going to be like a super fluffy, thick look unless you run your fingers through the hair and you get the hair to be a little bit more fluffy. So I just wanted to mention that in case you girls wanted to wear the hair in its original texture without all the defined curls, or like I said, once the hair dries down, you're still going to get these nice juicy curls, but it's not going to be as big and poofy. Okay, girls, so this is the final look, y'all. I love this wig. I love how the hairline turned out, and most importantly, I love these juicy, tight curls. Girl, this wig is so pretty. I'm going to make sure I leave the information for Best Lace Wigs below and all of the products that I used in this video so you girls can follow this same step with getting this beautiful install. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls on the next one. Bye.